Hey there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to export chat from Telegram. The first thing you want to do is go to Google. As you can see, I already have Telegram right there, right? But I'm just going to go to Google. I'm going to teach you how to get there. Once you're in Google, basically type in here Telegram. Now once you're in here, there will be a few choices. You can either go to the website, on this one, Telegram Messenger, log in by QR code, or you can basically download the Telegram desktop application so you can have it right there on your PC. Even though I don't have it right here, I'm using the website version. You can also go to Google Play. Other than that, let's go back on Telegram. So I'm currently inside here, right? Now just choose a chat that you want to export. For example, this one. If I want to export this one, I just need to choose a chat, right? Once I've chosen a chat or a group that I want to export, for example, I can just basically click on the three dots on the upper section, click on select messages if you want to just choose a specific message you want to export. As you can see right there, I'm going to select both. And basically once in here, click on share contact. And that's how you share and basically export your chats. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.